There's a part of your past, dear Scorpio, that is over. And it's been over for a little while, but you're carrying it with you. There's a part of your past that you're keeping alive just in case. And I'm not sure what the just in case is for. And I feel like you need to be honest with yourself. That's, in fact, the piece of the puzzle that is often missing from your life. Is that you're not honest with yourself about why you carry this part of your past with you. There's a just in case, and that just in case will continue to get in your way and won't allow you to recognize what's true for you, move forward, whatever we want to call it. The key for the Scorpios today is being so ridiculously openly honest with yourself that it might hurt just a little bit. Not hurt as in it's going to hurt you and it's an awful thing. Hurt as in maybe you need to admit something to yourself. And by admitting it to yourself, then you can finally move on from it. So actually, I won't go into what it could be. The rest you'll be able to have access to in the membership. And I just want to make this part clear though. It's by doing the work that will enable you to set yourself free from this part of your past. Not by thinking about it or trying to figure it out. And doing the work is being brutally honest with yourself today.